somebody. Yeah. Because your friends will give you an indication of who you are. Do millionaires hang around broke folk?
No.
Huh?
No, sir.
You think Donald Trump got a lot of broke friends? Huh? You think so, right? Oh, but Donald Trump hang around millionaires, huh? You do chicken run with chicken hawks?
No.
Huh? No, sir. No, man. You have to understand. Amen.
Yes, sir.
I'm trying to get you to see something here. We have self-appointed folk.
That's right.
That's misleading people.
That's right.
Yes, sir.
We wonder why so many people out in the streets.
That's right.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Because we have too many self-appointed and call themselves anointed and can't bring a fly through the door.
Tell it. Don't say it. Amen. I know you.
But you get real leadership.
Tell it.
You get people who have been called by God and have been under good stewardship. Those are the folks that get talked about.
That's right.
As we go on, amen, we're going to be starting at, amen, verse 11. But I was preaching at a church one time and called myself preaching my head off. I was sweating and looked like I was out on the football field. And after the service, one of the old mothers walked up to me and she says, son, you know, you brought a good message. Really enjoyed what you had to say. And but you know, it's just something missing. And they were looking for a pastor at that time. So I was really putting a lot in it. And the woman says, I said, well sister, what's missing? She said, well, I like to hear some moaning. I said, some moaning? Huh? She said, I'm from the old school. I like to hear some, oh Lord, why don't you come down right now? Praise His one name. Oh Lord. See, huh?
Talking loud.
Is that what she was looking for? Guitar Joe? Huh? You can play behind that picture, huh? I want to get on the guitar show, son. Get on the guitar show a little bit. Oh, Lord! You know, and then I see these preachers right now. I mean, they all humped over and got their hand on their back and all this stuff. And you know, so the mother's like, oh, Lord! Oh, you come down right now. Bless us! Bless us, Mama Mary! Okay, so I'm looking at the mom and I'm saying, well, that's what you want me to do. I mean, that's what I got to do to be able to,
Just teach you.
to be able to pastor the church.
That's what they
Put on a
think.
performance.
They think that's
Entertain. What it is.
I said, well, you want me to entertain them?
That's
That's
right.
right.
Huh? No, I can't moan, dude. Like, I really can't. I mean, the Lord tell me come on and moan, I'll moan. But that right there ain't liberating our mind.
That's right.
That ain't teaching us anything. That's just a feel-good sensation that you get. That has nothing to do with true liberation.
That's right.
And that's why our communities and our churches are dysfunctional today.
Say it.
Because we put too much emphasis on the music,
Yes, sir.
but not the teaching of the Word of God.
Well,
We
see.
have to understand that new life.
Hallelujah.
We're not a traditional some good noise in here.
Yes, sir.
We made some good noise yesterday. We had folks outside dancing.
That's all right.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Walked outside, kids are just jumping up and down.
Having a good time with the Lord. Hallelujah.
We